Navigating the healthcare website can be tough, and figuring out what insurance plan is best for you and your family may be difficult. To make it easier for you, Catherine McLeod from First Choice Primary Care is here to tell us about a free event where you can have all your healthcare questions answered. Good morning.
Good morning.
So first of all, tell us about tomorrow's event.
Well, this is an event that's going to be at the Community Church of God on Walnut Street and Grant, at the corner of Walnut and Grant, in the Pleasant Hill neighborhood. It's sponsored by the Shalom Zone in Pleasant Hill. Captain Willie May is chairman of that group, and the Community Partnership and First Choice Primary Care. We're all working together to have a community event. We'll have some information about the health insurance marketplace, give people an opportunity to learn a little more about it, have some refreshments, and ask questions.
Why is it important for you guys, these sponsors, to put on an event like this to give the community an opportunity to ask their questions?
Well, I think we've all been hearing a lot in the news about trouble with the website, and it's confusing at best. Even if the website were working perfectly, health insurance is complicated, the Affordable Care Act is complicated, and everybody's situation is a little different. It's going to take everybody a while to figure out if this is something they need to pay attention to and what they need to do about it. So it's just an opportunity to have a smaller group to get some more information for people and opportunity to ask questions.
You mentioned a lot of news going on with the healthcare website and the Affordable Care Act in general. What is it that's something everyone should know about the Affordable Care Act, and especially maybe even for those people that don't plan on purchasing through the healthcare marketplace?
Well, I think there are a couple of key things. We've been hearing a lot the last couple of days about people whose insurance might have been changing, but for older folks that are on Medicare, they need to know they don't have to worry. This doesn't affect their Medicare, and they don't have to be concerned about it. But other people need to know that there's potentially an opportunity to buy health insurance for themselves, their family, with some tax credits, make it much more affordable. And everyone needs to know that eventually there will be some penalties for people that don't get insurance. Some people are exempt from those penalties, but eventually we all need to pay attention and make sure if we don't have employer-provided health insurance, to do our research.
So you guys expecting a pretty decent turnout for tomorrow?
We hope so. The Pleasant Hill neighborhood always puts on some good events. We'll start at noon, and I'll talk a little bit about the marketplace and try and provide some information, answer questions. Then there'll be some refreshments.
All right, sounds like a good opportunity to get your questions answered. Again, the event is tomorrow, that's Saturday, from noon to 2 at the Community Church of God in Macon.